Pastor Daron,
Yes, Arnie?
the other day I was out in the garden and I got bitten by a bee.
Got bitten by a bee?
Yeah, and it stung me.
That would hurt.
Yeah, it did a bit. Now, I was just wondering if you could make a bee out of balloons.
Can I make a bee?
Yeah,
I think I can. I'm going to use a 360 balloon.
right, 360 degrees.
No,
No?
360. It means 3 inches in diameter and 60 inches long,
Right,
like so. So it's fatter than the 260 balloon.
right, like me.
Well, you said it, Arnie.
Okay,
Now I'm going to make a bee body by dividing in half and simply cutting.
snip it off with the scissors.
That's right. And discard the top section of the balloon.
Right,
Keep the bottom section. And then I'm going to inflate it, leaving a sting at the end.
right,
Tie it off.
tie it off.
Notice I burped it as I tied it off.
Right,
I'm going to make a head and a large pinch twist for some eyes. And there is a bee body
there's a bee body.
with a sting in the tail.
Dr. Bee body.
Thanks, Arnie. You want to hold him for me?
Yeah, okay.
I'll make the wings.
Now you're winging it.
You're bright today, Arnie. I'm going to inflate a yellow balloon, tie it into a circle, discard the extra balloon by cutting it off.
Right,
You need to pop the balloon, remember the sharp scissors, and simply divide the balloon in half, squash it,
yep,
and twist it.
and twist it. And there's the wings.
There's the wings.
Yeah,
You make the body.
and how do we put it on the body?
Going to wedge it by coming up under the face
Right,
and simply wedge it and shape it onto the bee.
that looks good.
And using my texture,
Yeah, you put some eyes and a mouth and stuff.
that's right. So I'll give him some eyes. And a mouth. And some stripes
Stripes.
down the back of the body.
Now, by his stripes, you should know him.
So there you go, Arnie. You want to take him home?
Yeah, I'll take him home.
This one won't sting you.
Okay, I'm not scared of it. It's beautiful.
Thanks, Arnie.
Yeah.